If you're like me, returning to school after several decades in the workforce, you probably remember an application as being a piece of paper and a pencil.
Well, an application is now online. So let's go to Google
And look for
College of Marin. Click on admissions. Create account. Uh-oh, don't let this happen to you by gathering the required information.
what semester are you applying for? Add your date of birth.
Where did I put that Social Security card? A personal email account is required to receive important information about your college admissions.
Add your primary phone number and a secondary one if you wish. Do you remember your home address?
Don't get locked out. Record your username and password.
You'll need to create a 4-digit PIN. Don't lose it. Security questions. Be sure to write down the questions and answers in case you have to recover your account. You did it. Keep your CCC ID number for the next step, enrollment.